Glass air fryers are getting a lot of attention because you can actually see your food cooking, and you don't have to cook directly on a coated basket. But is it worth it if the air fryer doesn't cook as quickly or evenly? I tested the NutriChef Glass Air Fryer against my Cosori TurboBlaze using the exact same food, and there was a pretty significant difference between these two. The biggest reason I can see someone choosing the NutriChef is the glass basket. If you prefer cooking surfaces like glass rather than traditional coated air fryer basket, this gives you that option. And I really like being able to see my food while it cooks. You can check the browning without opening the air fryer and immediately see whether something looks like it needs more time. And if product comparisons like this help you decide what's actually worth buying, subscribe. I test a lot of home and kitchen products side by side, and I'll have links to both of these air fryers in the description if you want to check current price. But the glass design also comes with a couple of pretty significant drawbacks. First, this basket is heavy. I can barely comfortably lift it one-handed when it's empty. And once there's food inside, doing that normal mid-cook air fryer shake is difficult. With the Cosori, I can pull the basket out, give everything a really good shake, and put it right back in. I couldn't do that nearly as effectively with the NutriChef, and that ended up mattering more than I expected in this cooking test. I also noticed that the NutriChef doesn't seem to seal as tightly as the Cosori. There's a strip around the top where you can actually feel heat escaping while it's cooking. That's not necessarily a deal breaker, but it does seem less efficient, and the cooking test definitely backed that up. For the actual cooking test, I used frozen tater tots and started both air fryers on their default air fry settings. The Cosori defaults to 385 degrees, while the NutriChef defaults to 365. For this reason, I gave the NutriChef 5 extra minutes because I wanted to see both how quickly they cooked and what the final results looked like. At the 10-minute mark, the Cosori was done. The NutriChef definitely wasn't. Its tots were still visibly undercooked. So I put them back in and let them finish the full 15-minute cycle. That means we're already looking at roughly 50% more cooking time for the NutriChef in this particular test. But the more important question is whether those extra 5 minutes got the same result. The Cosori also gives you more cooking options. Along with air frying, it has settings like bake and dry, so you can use those lower temperature dry settings for things like dehydrating food. And yes, there's a bake setting if you want to try those air fryer chocolate chip cookies that are all over social media. The NutriChef controls are a little confusing, but basically you pick a type of food and then adjust time and temperature. But it's all air frying except for the water droplet, which works for warming. So if you primarily want an air fryer and really value the glass cooking surface, the NutriChef gives you everything you need, even if it is a little slower. But if you want one appliance that gives you more flexibility, I think the Cosori has some significant advantages. Cleanup is basically a tie. Both baskets can go in the dishwasher, although honestly, I don't really need the dishwasher for either one most of the time. Food releases pretty easily from both, and I found both baskets easy to wash by hand. So this really comes down to what you're prioritizing. The NutriChef gives you two things the Cosori can't: a glass cooking surface and the ability to watch your food cook without opening the basket. And I can absolutely see why those two things would be important enough for some people to choose it. But they come with trade-offs. The glass basket is much heavier. I couldn't shake the food nearly as well, and the air fryer wasn't as efficient in my test. Remember those tater tots? After just 10 minutes, the Cosori tots were golden brown and crunchy all the way around. Even after 15 minutes, the NutriChef tots were still underdone on the bottom. Some of that may have been because I couldn't shake that heavy basket as effectively, but either way, the Cosori gave me the better result in less time. So if the glass cooking surface is your number one priority, I'd choose the NutriChef. But if you're asking which I choose based primarily on air frying performance, it's absolutely the Cosori TurboBlaze. I'll put links to both below so you can compare current prices, and if you like seeing products actually tested against each other before you spend your money, subscribe. I have plenty more home and kitchen comparisons coming soon.